and welcome to our series all about Wix Invoices. Today, we're going to learn how to manage your invoices on the Wix Mobile App. Let's get started. On the Wix Mobile App, go to Manage at the bottom. Go to Getting Paid, and under it, select Invoices. This is where you will see all of your invoices. On the Wix mobile app, you can manage invoices individually. Select the invoice you'd like to manage to open it. And here, click on Next, and you should see options that you can do with your invoice. You can send it via email, share it as a link, enter card details manually, and charge with card reader, which are both premium features, record payment, preview it, save and close it, and or delete it. So feel free to manage your invoice using the available options over here. And that's it. That's how you manage your invoices on the Wix mobile app. We hope this video was of help. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.